Welcome to UNM on IdeaScale, where your ideas fuel our future. So, what is IdeaScale? It's a way for us to share and build upon each other's ideas. It's interactive, transparent, and real-time. And best of all, it's easy to use. Submit an idea, comment on someone else's, or vote an idea up. Let's get started. First, navigate to unm-innovation.ideascale.com. Then, click on Login with SSO and log in with your UNM credentials. This will take you to the UNM IdeaScale Innovation Community landing page, where you can get to know the platform or start innovating right away. IdeaScale is intuitive and user-friendly and will offer helpful prompts when you first log in to help familiarize yourself with the environment. When you arrive on the community landing page, you'll be able to browse active campaigns in several ways. By scrolling down the page, selecting from the drop-down in the upper left corner, or you can click on the Home tab at the top of the screen to view all active campaigns and ideas. On the home page, active campaigns are shown in a carousel, on the drop-down menu, and on the right-hand navigation. For UNM 2040 Opportunity Defined, a campaign has been created for each of the 5 revised UNM 2040 goals, as well as a What's the Big Idea campaign to solicit big-picture ideas. If you want to find out more about a specific campaign, click About on the Campaign Navigation tab. Below the carousel is the Ideas section. Here, you can change the view of the ideas to show compact view, grid view, or list view, which is the default. You can also sort ideas for trending, recent, popular, or random. Trending displays all the ideas with activity. Recent displays the most recent ideas. Popular shows ideas with the most views, comments, or votes. And random will show random ideas. To submit your own idea, either click the red plus button in the upper right-hand corner or click next to your avatar in the Submit Your Idea field. If you are in a campaign, this field will only be visible if you select all ideas from the campaign navigation. But the red plus button will always be on the page. Fields with an asterisk are required. Tags are thematic and are used to tag multiple ideas with the same theme. Linked ideas allows you to link similar or complementary ideas together. Be sure to click Save as Draft or Submit. Directly below an idea, you can comment or follow. By clicking on the 3-dot contextual menu, you will see even more options where you can print or email the idea. You can show your support for an idea in a couple of ways, by either voting up, or agreeing with the idea, or commenting on an idea. You can show support for community members by giving them kudos, which are recognitions of your appreciation of other community members. To give a kudo, click on the hands icon next to a community member's name on an idea. To go back to the home page, select the home icon from the drop-down menu at the top left of the screen. When you are finished, be sure to log out by clicking your name in the upper right-hand corner and then click Log Out. Additional information regarding the functionality and navigation of IdeaScale can be found on their website at support.ideascale.com. To contact a member of our team, please email unm2040@unm.edu. All ideas will be documented as part of the process. Off-topic ideas will be placed into a special category in a different part of our community. Just a reminder that participation within IdeaScale is visible to our full UNM community, and your contributions are tied to your name. This platform is designed to be a respectful space for meaningful idea generation. It is not a social media platform and is subject to moderation to provide a civil and productive environment where all Lobos can share their ideas. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing your best ideas.